Installing a ceiling fan or new light fixture is one of the most rewarding upgrades you can do for your home. It adds comfort, improves lighting, and can even lower your energy bills. The process is easier than you might think, as long as you follow a few safety steps and work carefully. Here's how to install ceiling fans and light fixtures like a pro. Start by turning off the power at the breaker for the room you're working in. Use a voltage tester to confirm the circuit is completely off before you touch any wires. Safety always comes first when working with electricity. Let's begin with light fixtures. Remove the old fixture by unscrewing the base and disconnecting the wires, typically black, hot, white, neutral, and green or bare copper, ground. If there's a mounting bracket, remove it and install the new one that came with your fixture. Next, connect the new fixture's wires to the house wires, black to black, white to white, and ground to green or bare copper. Twist each pair together and secure with wire nuts. Gently push the wires back into the electrical box, attach the fixture base with screws, and add any decorative covers or shades. Turn the power back on and test your work. Now for ceiling fans, the process is similar but with a few extra steps. Ceiling fans are heavier than standard lights, so you'll need an electrical box rated for ceiling fans, not a standard one. This is crucial for safety. If your current box isn't fan rated, replace it with one that's securely attached to a joist or brace. Assemble the fan according to the manufacturer's instructions. Usually this means attaching the mounting bracket first, then the downrod, motor housing, and blades. Feed the electrical wires through the downrod and mounting bracket. When connecting wires, match them by color, black or blue to hot, white to neutral, and green or bare wire to ground. Some ceiling fans have two hot wires, one for the fan and one for the light kit, so make sure both are connected to the proper switches or controls. Secure the fan to the mounting bracket and make sure everything is tight. Wobbling fans are usually caused by loose connections or uneven blades, so double-check your work. Most modern fans include balancing kits to fix minor wobbles. Once installed, turn the power back on and test your fan and light functions. Make sure the fan spins smoothly and that the light switch or remote works correctly. A few pro tips. Always support the fan's weight while wiring to prevent strain on the connections. Use LED bulbs in fan fixtures to reduce heat and energy use. And if your fan has a reversible motor, switch it to spin clockwise in winter and counterclockwise in summer. It helps with heating and cooling efficiency. Installing ceiling fans and light fixtures is a project that instantly improves your home's comfort and style. With a little care, a few tools, and proper safety steps, you can enjoy a professional-looking result and a more efficient living space.